Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can install the iOS launcher on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. The first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store. We need to download an app. So let's search for the iOS launcher, and then we can choose this app over here and then press install. Now let's wait a second to download and install the app, and once it is done we should be able to open it. So let's do that. Now we can allow iOS launcher to grant access to photos and videos. Of course, over here we have consent for personal data, which is not really mandatory to accept all. We can just confirm the selected choices. You can go through them one by one if you want to. And then we can set the iOS launcher as default. So let's do that. Let's switch to iOS launcher. And there we go. Now we have the iOS launcher on the Motorola Moto G04, and it is also possible to do that on G04s. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!